Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make truffle scrambled eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 large, fresh eggs, a couple of tablespoons of cream or milk, and your star ingredient, the truffle. You can choose between a teaspoon of high-quality truffle oil, a tablespoon of rich truffle butter, or even 5 grams of finely grated fresh truffles. Having everything at room temperature helps achieve that perfect, creamy texture we're aiming for. Now for the cooking technique. In a bowl, gently whisk your 4 eggs with the 2 tablespoons of cream. Don't overmix, we want a light, airy texture. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat with a small knob of butter. Pour in the egg mixture and stir constantly with a rubber spatula, scraping the bottom and sides. This continuous motion creates small, soft curds. Remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are about 90% set, still slightly wet. This is where the magic happens. Once your eggs are off the heat and still warm, it's time to add the truffle. If you're using truffle oil, drizzle in about 1 teaspoon. For truffle butter, stir in 1 tablespoon until it melts beautifully into the eggs. If you have fresh truffles, generously shave about 5 grams directly over the hot, creamy scramble. Remember, a little truffle goes a long way, so start with a small amount and adjust to your taste. Finally, it's time to serve your exquisite truffle scrambled eggs. Season them with a pinch of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. Transfer them immediately to warm, buttered toast, or serve them alongside a crisp, fresh green salad for a delightful contrast. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish with some finely chopped fresh chives or a few additional truffle shavings. Enjoy this luxurious and easy-to-make breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.